We back again. Woo. Ski. Bro, y'all niggas are playing, bro. We back again with a different preset, bro. Well, it's an old preset that I used to use. Well, I still use it, but it I was recording with it right now, and bro, it's crazy, bro. Trust me, it's crazy. You gotta trust me, bro. Like, if y'all hear how I sound, bro, with these pieces on, it's crazy. The beat produced by D-Shine. I fuck with that nigga for real though. But it's crazy, bro. This preset. But I'll be giving this preset away, nigga. I'll be keeping this preset like, let's see. For about like 3 months. 3 months, bro. All of this preset, I make them. This one is new. This one is new. This shit is new. This shit is new. This shit it's not new. It's not new. Also this shit, it ain't new, bro. But truth, this preset is crazy, okay? I was recording a song. I mean, like, I'm not done, but trust the process, bro. Trust the process. So, I'ma first let y'all hear how I sound without the preset on. So yeah, I'ma switch it off, bro. I sound awful, nigga. I sound awful. Truth. This is how it sounds.
I'ma pull up on my bull thing. Pull up with this wrestling guy. Cause I'm a man and you gon' know that. Yeah, I was making tough from a birth. Didn't believe that I make it out. Yeah, now my niggas wanna fake it out. Had to pull up bad, now I'm making it out. I be cutting the rest of my time. I don't fucking shit no more. Yeah. And I know this gonna be hard. Now I be working alone. Ain't got to trust no more. Cloud 19 on my telescope. I'ma fuck with girls like no. I'ma take you to my crib. And I don't know why you.
And I put it back on, nigga. But yeah, this is how it sounds.
I'ma pull up on my bull thing. Pull up with this wrestling guy. Cause I'm a man and you gon' know that. Yeah, I was making tough from a birth. Didn't believe that I make it out. Yeah, now my niggas wanna fake it out. Had to pull it bad, now I'm making it out. I be cutting the rest of my time. I don't fucking shit no more. Yeah. And I know this gonna be hard. Now I be working alone. Ain't got to trust no more. Cloud 19 on my telescope. I'ma fuck with girls like no. I'ma
Yo. Sounds crazy. And this are the background vocals. These are the songs. I'm not putting this shit without a preset. I'm playing it all. Yeah. When I put that, you don't know that. Niggas make it out. I be I'ma fuck with them girls I know. Crazy. It's like everyone talking at the same time, bro. But when I put them all together, except the beat, this is how it sounds.
I'ma pull up on my bull thing. With this wrestling guy. Cause I'm a man and you gon' know that. Yeah, I was making tough from a birth. Didn't believe that I make it out. Yeah, now my niggas wanna fake it out. Had to pull it bad, now I'm making it out. I be cutting the rest of my time. I don't fucking shit no more. Yeah. And I know this gonna be hard. Now I be working alone, ain't got to trust no more. Got 19 on my telescope, I'm a fuck on girls I know.
So yeah, as y'all can hear, it sounds mad, bro. As I told you, the preset sounds crazy. Crazy. Sure, sounds crazy. This is also another preset. It's not saved because I don't give a fuck about it, bro. I don't give a fuck about it. Yeah. But I'm gonna play y'all. I know I'm mad. I'm gonna play y'all the beat though.
Maybach music.
Sound crazy, but okay. Let's play the song, bro. Let's go.
I'ma pull up on my pull thing. Put this rest on God, cause I'm a man and you gon' know that. I was making stuff from my birth, didn't be let her make it out. Now my niggas wanna fake it out. Gotta pull it back, now I'm making it out. I be killing with some minds, I ain't fucking shit no more. Yeah, I know that it's gonna be hard. Now I be working alone, ain't got to trust no more. Got 19 on my telescope, I'm a fuck on girls I know. I'ma take you to my crib, now I know why you gon' fit. Baby, hold up, I know that when I say that you gon' go, you gon' be a trouble soul. I just geek out for my own. Yeah, I'ma just pull up with this dumb stuff. I know they gonna go. I'm finna catch this bitch and go. Why it be so bad? Feel like I could somebody. Feel like the time.
I ain't gonna let y'all hear the song because it's an unreleased song. I'm gonna drop it. Oh no. Next week Saturday. Yeah. The coming Saturday, brother. What is it calling me? Richard Mille. First he used to call me Che. Now it's saying Richard Mille, bro. I'm Young Fago, nigga. You hear this shit, bro? I'm Young Fago. It's Fago only, bro. But I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all the preset. You feel me? So yo, let's get into it. Fuck it. Yeah. You got the DJ comp, just like it. You got the noise gate. You got the DSR. That's what I did for. See how it sounds? Sounds ass. And it sounds too low. That's what for. It's for the like. Well, though, not that. Like. See? And I put my on. And just, you know, just like that. It's like a extra pop filter. You feel me? And then we got the EQ. We got the tech light back. And you got the graphic EQ. Without this, sounds ass. But with that, sound good, bruh. I just squeeze, bro. I'm on you, bro. Giving out my best presets. I don't know why I'm not doing this, bro. But for y'all niggas, I'll do anything, bro. So, So, cut it, You can go ahead and post the video, bro. Delay is the one. Now this one is basically the same one as the. I'll show y'all. Just quick. I edited some tweaking. See, sounds the same, but it's only two things there. As I said, I edited some crazy shit. But y'all stay, together. And let me let y'all hear this part, bro. Go something like that. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Peace.